Aningkan mga son si pining litot sa Kajir Ronghangpi Memorial Talent Society at Tumpen, patirpi pon si ingdeng Nerkep Miss Karbi Anglong lapen Kids Karbi Anglong suri hinira ingkoy raketom. Kachipati ajay meng apartment di Fukan Hotel Resort along audition padopon. Labang so audition along Sir Ronghangpi first runner-up, Miss Assam Silise Ingtipi runner-up, Miss Karbi Anglong second runner-up, Urmila Tokbipi, Miss Karbi Anglong at Tumpen si Ingkru ing Saipon auditional long Alicia Man Pengpen kacetong dun KSAMI pu Tan Sing Timung Alangli Adi Sangho Barnabas Kiling atum cetong dun Miss Karbi Anglong suri hinira ingkoy raket thom aparman non mat bangkri hini lapen Kids Karbi Anglong aparman bangkri ke thom apar ingwai pon pen misen pen audition pachun pon lo. News Secretary Public News 24/7 Karbi Anglong.
The Miss Karbi event has been conducted. I think that many girls and boys also went there to witness the event. So we have to observe and we have to try to understand how the participation from the outside the country, outside the state used to participate and used to walk and used to talk in such event. So whenever, if you have choice, this is your career, then you have to participate in such events and you have to witness in such events. So, like, I think I forgot the name of Miss Karbi recently, but I think she's from Rajasthan, and I think the second runner-up is from Manipur itself, Northeast state itself. So now organizers like Miss India, Miss Femina, like Mr. Northeast, Miss Northeast, they are searching especially the young talented from the Northeast only, because they know and they have an understanding that there's a beauty and also the talent and all the youth in the Northeast state of India. So yes, obviously we can make our future bright with this career also. So I wish a very best luck to all the participants that in coming days you will be signing and you all will be bringing a good reputation from the Karbi Anglong as well. Thank you.
Ain plan nikang lang song ini pon. Ini kita ta 9 Miss Karbi Anglong lapena including kids pasal lepas tu pon along mana si tambun manpeng kedo sa hansing ti mung ate hai lapen te ate hai Barnabas Kiling lapen te litum judges Sir Ronghangpi lapen te Urmila Tokbipi lapen te Cecilia ti biara
Promote moi Kajir talent hunt organization yang moi thanks boku jesu de iman posola pura the 9 audition boy they are able to organize such a big event and they are producing the beauty of Karbi Anglong and also West Karbi Anglong. And I think today is the 9th edition of Maji audition te amar has already audition te daise. I think according to them Kajir talent hunt they have a good connection with the other organization of northern state of India. Kisuman bogoto pura naina bose like ya june yat audition yat pass hoise june yat audition pass hoy direct Miss Assam direct entry cover. So I think this is a very good platform for all the young generation who are choosing their career in such a beauty contest. We are thankful that in coming days the Kajir talent will be doing their best and will be organizing a very big event in all part of Karbi Anglong, because it is Northeast India और अभी बहुत माने हमारे beauty contest होइছে recently আমার মণিপুরের যে Miss Femina competition হৈছিল I think second runner সাথে আমার Northeast India পুরা হে পাইছে first আমার রাজস্থান পুরা একদম সলিয়ে পাইছে নাম বলি but second runner সাথে আমার Northeast state হে পাইছে I think she is from Manipur itself. So some of that the Northeastern state of India are also enough talent in the field of all this beauty contest and modeling. So we will be hoping that the Kajir talent hunt will be searching a new face who can participate in the national and the international level. It is a beauty contest modeling even
Miss Femina hoy, Miss India hoy, Miss International, Miss World, Miss Universe. So kita हमारा participation इनको करने हमारा जो starting platform, जो हमारा preliminary platform. I think this Miss Karbi Anglong is the very good platform for all the youngsters who are willing and who are interested in participating in the beauty contest. And I pray Almighty that Jimane as participation. I think I pray for them that June year selection I think they will be going to be a very good future in the coming days in the field of this modeling and beauty. Thank you.